Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house of Roberto Cavalli. Roberto Cavalli doesn't need introduction. It's one of the famous design houses from Italy. I think it's one of the big five, if not mistaken. Anyway, so and they have quite an extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio, both for ladies and men. And this one in particular is the Uomo line, which I have at least two of them, and this one is the Deep Desire one. So this one is Roberto Cavalli Uomo Deep Desire, and it's de the Toilette. Where are you? I think it's anyway. I think it's the Toilette. This one is I had good things about it, so let's see how it goes. It says on it made in France, which is quite strange because this is an Italian company, but it doesn't matter. Anyway, so as you can see, it's quite a simple box. They do a very good job, but it protects the bottle anyway. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. Your help, your motivation, your encouragement will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So simple box. Sorry about the noise. Simple. This one is brown and with gold trimming. So the bottle exactly the same as the other Uomo in this line, but this one is a see-through and it's like a golden color. Deep Desire. Nice bottle. It's not very heavy, but it's quite a nice design to it. The attention to detail is beautiful. It's very nice. The cap itself is not bad, but it's quite a weight to it. Alright, let's see the atomizer. The atomizer is very beautiful. Look at that. Okay. The atomizer is not bad. It goes pss, pss, pss. It's not the best. Alright, so Deep Desire, Uomo, and this is Roberto Cavalli. How is the smell? First sniff, first impression. Here we go. Oh yes. They always deliver. You know, the house of Roberto Cavalli, every time I smell something from them, they do it proper. They do a fantastic job. Listen, these are big designer fragrances, sorry, big designer houses from Italy, and majority of the fragrances are good, if not some of them are excellent. So they never disappoint. They never have one to say, oh, this is just a money grab, this is just a rubbish. Majority are good, and this is no exception. Wow, I smell some powderiness here. Citrus are quite big in the beginning. The citrus is like a grapefruit. It's quite on the bitter side, but the first thing it hits me is the powderiness. Beautiful, very nice done, beautiful. So it's quite on the gentlemanly side, although it could be unisex because it's got that powdery aspect to it, but it's quite gentlemanly. It's quite upper class, higher class. It's very well done. Smell spice, definitely cinnamon. I smell tonka bean, definitely. The last one had tonka bean as well to it, so it's like a tonka bean theme going right through these Uomo line. I smell some white floral in here. It could be orange blossom. I'm smelling something like white floral, but it's quite soft and it's in the background right now, so it's not very big, but I can smell it, I can detect it. So it's a white floral, similar to what's the Orange Blossom does. I'm a big fan of Orange Blossom anyway. It's quite musky as well, but again the musk is in the background right now. It's got a leather to it, but the leather here is soft and it's like a suede like, so it's not a rugged dark deep rugged leather. No, it's quite a soft leather. It's quite a it's like a bougie trendy leather, more like the rugged you know, in your face medicinal leather. No, it's like this one is very soft, it's very palatable, it's very well done. And the woods are in the background. It's most likely to be sandalwood, so it's very smooth, but I can smell something like cedar as well. So cedar and sandalwood together to making it this smooth. Could be a jasmine in here because it's very smooth and rounded, and definitely tonka bean. I can smell that maybe there's a vanilla in here as well, but overall it's done very well. I'm super happy with this. Very classy, gentlemanly, but as I said, it could be unisex. It's so nicely done. It's just bang in the middle. Any sex can wear this. It's so well done. It reminds me to some extent, not a copy, not a clone or anything like that, but to some extent it reminds me of not Habit Rouge, the other one, Guerlain. One of the Guerlains is it's done in a way, it's like I'm smelling Guerlain basically. It's so well done and it's so gentlemanly and classy and it's a little bit on the classic side as well. So I would say definitely 25 and up to be in the safe side, because this is reminds me of some of the classics. This is one of those fragrances you can wear all year round because it's got freshness to it, but it's quite deep and dense as well. So you can use it summer and winter, but you have to control the trigger, in summer less, in winter more. Definitely upper class, I mean higher end of things, so it's quite opulent, evening, formal, special occasion and things like this. This is to me very well done. I absolutely adore it. Let's see the performance. If the performance is anything good, OMG, we have a big banger on our hand. But so far so good. I absolutely loving it. I give it 2 thumbs up. Yes, for me is classy, beautiful. It's like basically I'm smelling French perfume instead of Italian perfume. It's so well done, and it's like a, as I said, it's like a Guerlain. What Guerlain does, you know, in terms of the perfumery and the quality of the ingredients. Okay guys, so if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are amazing value for money, 100% natural, ultra beast mode, 100% artistic, but you need to live in United Kingdom to or in order to order them. I leave them in the link. Thank you very much as always, and I see you later. Bye.